साई
Om Sai Ram. In today's video, we are going to explore the special and divine significance of Nanda Deep, the sacred lamp kindled by Sai Baba himself, which continues to burn eternally even today. The main attraction of Lendi Bagh is this holy lamp, placed between two sacred trees, the Neem and the Bodhi. These are the very trees that Baba planted with his own hands. It is said that in the beginning these trees were weak and did not grow at all, but one day, Baba gently shook them, and from that moment onward, both trees began to flourish with full life and greenery. Between these two sacred trees lies the lamp known as Nanda Deep or Akhada Deep. Sai Baba himself lit this lamp. Later, he instructed Abdul Baba that the lamp must never be allowed to extinguish. The structure we see today has been built by the Sansthan. But in Baba's time, this lamp used to be placed in a small pit. To protect it from the wind, it was covered with zinc sheets and later with a small cloth canopy. This Nanda Deep was the place where Baba often sat in deep meditation. Abdul Baba mentioned that Baba would sit on the ground near the lamp, but in such a position that the flame could not be seen. This suggests that Baba was absorbing not the light of the lamp, but its spiritual energy. What kind of spiritual discipline Baba performed there remains a mystery, just like the lamp that burns on, silently guiding devotees. One of Abdul Baba's duties was to keep 2 buckets of water near the lamp. After meditation, Baba would take the water in his hands and sprinkle it in all 4 directions. Narsimha Swami writes, perhaps Baba was blessing devotees in all directions or removing unseen obstacles. But this too is only a guess. Baba's actions remain divine and beyond ordinary understanding. The Mahanarayan Upanishad states that Agni, fire, is the life force of all beings. The sacred flame removes all obstacles on the spiritual path and protects all who surrender to it. In 1942, a platform was built by Galvankar on which the Nanda Deep was installed. Later, it was installed on a marble pillar and enclosed in glass for protection. In 1998, during a beautification project by the Shirdi Sai Baba Sansthan, the lamp was installed in its present form. We welcome you all to the holy Shirdi of Sri Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram.